Hey, my name is Rick Wallace, and today we're going to talk about fertilization. I'm standing in front of one of our liquid lawn trucks. That's a division of Lawnworks, and this division solely focuses on the turf and plant fertility, weed control, and insect and disease control. And I want to tell you a little bit about our process that's extremely unique. We only apply liquid applications, and this gives us a capability to not just apply one specific thing when we mix up a tank. We can, like right now, we're doing our fertilization treatments now, and we're mixing nitrogen, iron, and a pre-emergent. So the nitrogen is going to help with the plant nutrition, the iron is going to help with the color, and the pre-emergent is going to help prevent weeds into the summer. So when you just put down a granular, you're not able to have all of these capabilities. And we space our fertilizer apps out in about 3 applications. So we're applying like a lighter fertilizer application, but we're spacing it out. So like for centipede, we're doing 1 pound per 1,000 per year, but we're dividing it into 3 different applications. And you got to be really careful not to over fertilize centipede, even zoysia, because if you over fertilize, there's a chance that you could build up thatch, and there's also a chance that you could encourage disease. So we go a little bit lighter on our fertilizer, but we also add the iron to get that pretty color. So if you fertilize with a granular and you get this really dark green looking centipede just from nitrogen, it's probably not a good thing. It's probably going to cause problems later on. So now is just the perfect time to fertilize. The grass is greened up and the soil temps are where they need to be, and it's just a great time to get on our program. We have a 7-step program that manages the health of your lawn throughout the entire year. We have a different application for every season that's catered to your specific grass, and we also have these spot sprayers when we can take care of even hard to kill weeds like Dallas grass. The techs will get it specifically, walk around the yard and just spot these little weeds this time of year. So and I also want to talk a little bit about irrigation. You know, now we're starting to get into a hot season, so you need to be watering at least 3 days a week at 30-minute intervals for rotors, 30 minutes per zone on rotor zones, and about 10 minutes per zone on spray zones. And as we go further into the summer, you may need to adjust that upwards. And if we get rain, you know, if you have a rain sensor, that'll automatically cut it off. If you don't have a rain sensor, just manually turn it off and remember to turn it back on. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.